today I'm going to do a lip liner video. So basically I'm going to swatch the lip liners that I have, put a little bit of lip plumper over the top and let you see what that looks like. And then I'm going to wipe it off and go to the next one. I have quite a few lip liners. Let me show you my stash. And these are the ones we're going to be swatching. I think I just saw a gray in there. I believe that is an eyeliner. Not sure how that little booger got in there. Then we're going to do, like I said, the lip plumper over the top, just so you can get an idea of what it looks like. Now, right now, I'm wearing 201 with a little bit of baby cakes in the center for a highlight and the lip plumper. But I will go ahead and take this one off and I will put on the 201 by itself with the lip plumper and let you see what that looks like, okay? And we're gonna go through all of the colors in that way. So I have 9 of these. So we will go through those just like we did the matte lipsticks. So keep watching. I don't know why I have a feeling this is gonna be one of those videos where my lips get like fiery red. And it's not because of the tint in the colors. But let's just get started. Okay, 201. That one's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, some of these are going to clash with my eye look, which I just did a video of. So bear with me on that. And this is going to change it up a little bit. But that is just beautiful. I mean, you know how embarrassing it is to do duck face in front of y'all like 25 times in a video. It's really awkward. But I think that's the only way you can really get a good look of like, you know, looking at it. But it's so pretty. Okay, let's take that one off and let's go to the next. Next color I have is 203. And it's going to be a very natural one, just like this. I'm going to put a little bit of conditioner, lip conditioner in between colors just so I don't really wear my lips out. Plus it helps the liner to move a little easier as well. That is a really pretty warm lip liner, just natural every day, but it's a little more nude, a little less pink than the first one, but really, really beautiful by itself. And then with the plumper, plumper is usually clear, but mine has a little stain to it because of me not being patient when I've done my matte liquid lips, and it's got a little color in it, but it's not really colored. When I put it on my hand, it's very clear, so it's not really tainting our experiment here. But that is just a fabulous neutral nude lip. Like, I love that one. Beautiful. Okay, next. The next color is 204. This one's a very deep, like, looks a little different in my screen than it does here, but it's kind of like a plummy purple. Not purple, but deep plum color. I'm going to take a little more time putting on the lip liners that are bolder because I don't want to jack this up and it look like, you know, hot mess. Now that's a little bit more of a pink. Beautiful color. But let's put some lip plumper on there. See what we think. That was 204. That one's really pretty also. Oh my gosh. Some of these I haven't used yet. So let's move on. The next one's going to be a super bright red. That should be exciting and interesting with the eye colors. Next, I can see my lips getting really red before this is over with, and not from this stain either. This one is 207, and I got this one to wear with my red lipsticks. But if it's pretty enough, I might just wear it by itself. Boom, in your face. Now that one took a hot minute to put on. But, I mean, if you guys want a true bright red, this is the one. Now that is an impactful red. All right, does not look good with my eye color, but that's not what this video is about, is it? I know, what is my gloss gonna look like after this? Now look at that lusciousness with the Plumper. Oh, God, it's gorgeous. It's a beautiful red, and it will be great with a deeper red over the top. I have Superstar here. I almost want to try it. All right, let's see what my lips look like after I take this one off. They don't look too bad or too stained. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of foundation on just to make sure I haven't wiped off anything around my mouth. All right, next. This one is 212, so 212. I'm not even sure what to call this color. All right, let's try it with the lip plumper. Definitely a warm color for you girls who are looking for that. So this was 212. It is not at all what I expected when I pulled it out and put it on. Definitely a corally peachy color. Interesting, I would have never seen that. Next, okay, now moving on to number. These are gonna get darker as I go. This one's really dark, 221. It is almost like a very deep eggplant. I mean, like, that's the color I would call that. 221, this should be interesting. I almost wonder, should I put on some conditioner again? I've wiped it off so much, I'm wondering, I don't want to change the color of the lip liner. This is just like a chapstick, but it's good for your lips. Very nourishing, like vitamin E and shea butter and stuff. I don't know, it makes my lips look so small, so I kind of outlined my lips and I still feel like they look really little. But it's so beautiful. It's like I mean, I can't even explain what color that is. Oh, it's fabulous with the lip plumper, isn't it? Everything is fabulous with the lip plumper, and I just love how everything changes like colors. It gives you more options. Because that's a different color than what I had a minute ago before I put it on there. To me, that's a more wearable color for me. What do you think? That was 221. All right, let's take that one off and let's work on the next one. It's 222. This one is more of a nude, natural color. So let's do it. Okay, so that is a natural, more peachy colored lip liner with a warm tone to it. That is really pretty. I don't wear peachy colors because of my skin tone. But that, with like a bronze eye or browns or just natural warm eyeshadow look, that would be incredible. Just a bold look even, it would be pretty, it would just be beautiful. Okay, that one was 222. Next, my lips are gonna be hurting tomorrow. It's just because the liner has got like a pencil point on it, and when you're sitting there doing that, this is so far 7 times, and then taking it off. All right, 226. This is another kind of deep color, not as deep as 221 was, but it's pretty. Let's just get going on it. That's fabulous. All right, what number was this one again? This one is 226. Beautiful. I don't even know what color that I would call that. Like, it's like a plummy pink. I mean, I don't know. It's gorgeous. It is really beautiful. I'm like getting where I don't even know where my lips are anymore. Okay. And it's fabulous with the lip plumper too. I love it. All right, let's take this one off. Final one. Should we drum roll? No, we shouldn't. All right, next. This is the last one. It is the one that I've worn a couple of times, 227. It's very brown. This one's gonna look cray on me. But I promised you I'd show you all of them. This one's actually one that I got in my kit because I would have probably never thought to order it, but I've used it quite a bit, believe it or not, because it gives a very dramatic like look to certain colors like reds and whatever. So 227, here we go. Again, it's really hard with these dark ones to get my waterline because it's just watery, I guess. But, you know, that's not really that bad. I mean, I'm not a warm person. I'm a warm person. I am a warm person. My skin tone is not warm. So browns and stuff like that are just not necessarily my color. But some of you people, this would look amazing. And it's going to be perfect to go with some of the other lipsticks and stuff. So that's a good one. And that's it with Plumper. What do you think? Did it make my lips look like this big? Yeah. But it is really pretty. I mean, it's like a chocolate brown, but it doesn't look like something you couldn't wear. I mean, it's really, really pretty. So now I'm going to peel off the last layer of skin that I have left. And that is it for this video. I hope this was really helpful for you guys. I hope it helped you see that lip liners can be worn by themselves. They can be worn with lip plumper. They can be worn in combination with lipsticks and the matte lip, liquid lip, and everything. They're very versatile. So even though I stopped wearing lip liners for a long time, I'm kind of falling in love with them again because the versatility is there. And you know how I am about the versatility of things. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, ring the bell, and that way you're notified for future videos, and go join us at the group. Okay, we'd love to have you. If you'd like to shop for these products, the link is in the description. And if you feel better ordering from me directly instead of the website, then you can just find me on the group, and I'll hook you up. All right, I will see you guys back soon. Thank you as always for watching.